Morning, welcome back to Introduction to Engineering Design. Today what I'm going to show you is how to turn on the ability to auto-trace an image that you place inside of a sketch. So to do that, you need to have an add-in turned on, and to find that, click on Tools, right up here on the toolbar. Tools, and then come down and select Add-ins. Now, your add-ins may not look like mine. I've got some additional programs that run on my version of Solidworks, but what you'll find is the AutoTrace add-in is right here. Really a cool add-in, and what it will do is it will go ahead and take a raster image and convert it to a vector within SolidWorks. So it will make a series of splines and straight lines that trace the outline or selected outlines within a SolidWorks sketch. So to turn that on, go ahead and turn it on. You can turn it on at startup, or you could just turn it on as an active start-in, or active add-in. But I'd recommend you turn it on as at startup. It's a useful add-in to have on. So I select this checkbox and then go OK. Now when I have that selected, what I can now do is I can now start a new sketch. Sorry, I just started to open one. I'm going to go File, New, and I'm going to choose a part, and we're going to start a new sketch. And I'll show you the utility of this is I'm going to start a sketch on the top plane. Again, not important where I start a sketch. But now what I can do is with Tools and Sketch Tools, I can now bring a picture. And it'll take JPEGs and PNGs and other things. So let me pull this Superman picture in, open it, and I use this on another video. Once I have it open, I can drop it into my overall sketch, and then this little arrow here, the next arrow, takes me to where I can modify the image appearance. So I'm going to make the background a little bit whiter here, and I'm going to turn my contrast, that's about as contrasty as it gets, up. And now I select the area of the image that I choose to trace. So you see I've selected the whole image, and then click on Begin Trace. And there it picked up the overall outline of my image. So that's how you enable the auto trace function within SolidWorks, and how you can bring in a picture and use the auto trace to get the outline of a portion or portions of that picture. Once I've done that, pretty simple, just click my check mark. If I want to go back into this and edit this sketch, I can go back and I can trace more of it or less of it if I'd like to. It's pretty straightforward. So all I got to do right here is go back in and go into my auto trace again. Interesting feature in SolidWorks and useful. And notice that I don't need to keep the underlying sketch to keep the auto trace output of that sketch. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Turn on auto trace again. Find it up here in add-ins. So lots of different ways for you to get here. Here with the gear icon, add-ins, and auto trace right there. Thanks for watching.